And I was watching a clip of a Les Dawson show, and this song came up. Shirley Bassey was going to sing it. Les, in his usual way, playing the piano, slightly out of tune. Shirley said she was going to sing this, and for some reason I just had to look it up because I couldn't remember the words all the way through. And here goes. It's called Yellow Bird. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, make me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. I also had a pretty girl. She's not with me today. They're all the same, those pretty girls. Take tenderness, then they fly away. Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, make me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. I wish I were a yellow bird. I'd fly away with you. But I'm not a yellow bird, so I sit here, nothing I can do. Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? Make you feel so sad, mad is very bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. Yellow bird, yellow bird, yellow bird.